Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is geometry. In our class we shall solve two CQ number 2 and CQ number 6. My dear student, CQ number 2 will be your CW and CQ number 6 will be your SW. Your SW number 6, this is done in our previous classes. So please do your assign SW helping from the previous classes. Now my dear students, we shall read question number 2. Let us start. Two parallel straight lines AB and CD and the line PQ intersect AB and CD at the point E and F respectively. That's why notice AB and CD are two parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines are two lines which have same distance in all space. Notice, if from this point to this point, if the distance is 5 centimeter, then this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. So if all the distance are same, then these two lines are called parallel lines. Okay, so these two lines are parallel lines. And PQ, suppose AB and CD be two parallel lines and PQ be the line which intersect AB at the point E and CD at the point F. Okay, we want to draw this figure first. Question number A, draw the figure based on information. Question number B, show that angle AEP equal to angle CFE. I repeat, angle AEP equal to angle CFE. I hope you have understood, dear students. Next, prove that angle AEF plus angle CFE equal to two right angles. Okay, angle, notice, angle AEF plus angle CFE equal to two right angles. Now notice, my dear student, question number A is draw the figure based on the information. So here A, B and CD. My dear students, notice AB and CD be two parallel lines, and PQ, my dear students, here you give P and here you give Q. Okay, this is P and this is Q. That means PQ is a line which is called transversal. Okay, which this transversal intersect AB at the point E and CD at the point F. Okay, I repeat, AB and CD are two parallel lines and PQ be the transversal which intersect AB at the point E and CD at the point F. Okay, so this is the figure. I hope you have understood and you can draw this figure. My dear students, it is a matter of great joy that by the same figure we shall solve question number B and question number C. That means we want to draw the same figure in question number B and also in question number C. So here AB and CD are two parallel lines and PQ be their transversal, and this transversal PQ intersect AB at the point E and CD at the point F, which is shown in the above figure. Question number B, show that angle AEP. So we need to show, notice, show that angle AEP, that means AEP, this angle equal to angle CFE. CFE, this angle. Okay, angle AEP equal to angle CFE. We need to show these two triangles are equal. I repeat, AB and CD be two parallel lines and PQ be the transversal. This transversal PQ intersect AB at the point E and CD at the point F. Okay, it is required to prove that angle AEP equal to angle CFE. Okay, I repeat, angle AEP equal to angle CFE. Okay, proof. My dear student, notice angle AEP. Angle AEP. What is the vertically opposite angle of AEP? The vertical opposite angle of AEP is BEF. Okay, I repeat, the vertical opposite angle of AEP is BEF. Okay, this angle. Okay, so we say angle AEP equal vertical opposite angle BEF. Okay, BEF. My dear students, vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. We know. For this reason, we write this. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal each other. For this reason, so we can write. That means angle AEP equal vertically opposite angle BEF. Now we write this sentence as without vertically opposite. That means angle BEF. Angle BEF equal to angle AEP. This is equation number 1. My dear students, now you notice angle BEF, that means this angle equal to alternate angle. What is the alternate angle of BEF? The alternate angle of BEF is CFE. I repeat, the alternate angle of BEF is CFE. Okay, so here write angle BEF equal to alternate angle CFE. Why? Because we know that alternate angles are equal to each other. So I write without this alternate BEF equal to angle CFE. This is equation number 2. So my dear student, notice this is BEF equal angle AEP and this is BEF angle equal to angle CEF. That means both right hand sides are equal. Okay, sorry, both left hand sides are equal. As left hand side is equal, so we can write angle AEP equal to angle CFE. Notice angle AEP equal to angle CFE. Proved. I hope you have understood. That means, my dear students, you just AEP equal to vertically opposite angle of BEF. Again, BEF equal to alternate angle of CFE. Then we can write angle AEP equal to angle CFE. It is so easy. Only one times or two times read, then you can easily answer this question. Okay. Question number C. My dear students, AEF angle, that means this angle, AEF angle, and CFE angle, that means this angle and this angle. If I add these two angles, then it will be two right angles. My dear students, notice, let AB and CD are parallel. This is parallel sign. If the sign is here, then we can say that these two sides are parallel. That means AB parallel to CD and PQ be their transversal, which intersect them at the point E and F. It is required to prove that angle AEF, that means this one, plus CFE, that means CFE, this one. If I add this to one, then we get two right angles. Now proof. Dear student, notice angle AEF. Notice angle AEF equal to, what is the alternate angle of AEF? The alternate angle of AEF is DFE. I repeat, the alternate angle of AEF equal to angle DEF. Okay. We know that alternate angles are equal each other. For this reason, we can write angle AEF equal to alternate angle DFE. Okay. Now, dear student, notice this angle and this angle. If I add these two angles, then we get two right angles. I repeat, if I add CFE and DFE, we get two right angles. Here you notice angle CFE plus angle DFE equal to 2 right angles. Now notice we have already found that DFE angle equal to AEF angle. For these reasons, in the place of angle DEF we write angle AEF, angle AEF. So angle CFE plus angle AEF equal to right angles. Now we decorate, that means the question is angle AEF first. For this reason we write angle AEF plus angle CFE equal to 2 right angles. I hope you have understood. Dear students, question number C is also so easy. First of all, you show that the alternate angles are equal. What is the alternate angles? Angles AEF. The alternate angles of AEF is DFE. Okay. Now we add CFE plus angle DFE equal to root 2 right angles. Now we put the value of angle DFE. The value of angle DFE is AEF angle. Then we add and finally we get the answer. That means angle AEF plus angle CFE equal to right angles. Proved. I hope you have understood. Okay, my dear students, this question is so easy. You must read these questions 3 or 4 times, then it will be so easier for you and you can easily answer this question. And question number 6 will be your SW. At first we read the question. In the triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal DE, AC equal DF and BC equal EF. Question number 8, draw the figure based on the information. That means, my dear students, here two triangle ABC and DEF are given. Some condition are also given. ABC's AB side equal to DEF's DE sides are equal. On the other hand, AC equal to DF and BC equal to EF. By using this information, we draw the figure. Question number B, prove that triangle ABC congruence to triangle DF. We have already proved this in our previous classes. So take help from these classes. Question number C, if the bisector of the angle of triangle is perpendicular to the base, prove that it is an isosceles triangle. We have also read this question in our previous classes. Okay, take help from that classes. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear students. You must do your SN SW in your SW copy, submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.